I know. Everybody wants to make the Nativity Bench Pillow. Well, so do I. Hey everyone, Cristin Som here, and we are going to discuss the fact that we are going to do the Nativity Bench Pillow. So that will be our next group project after Falling for Autumn. It is actually available now. So I thank you for your patience in waiting for me to be able to choose our sponsor. We have a brand new sponsor. I'm very excited. So Cala Quilt Company has asked quite a while ago if they could sponsor a project, and now we've come up with one that will be just perfect for us to do together and work together with this shop new to Cristin Creates. So Cala Quilt Company, I will add a link here so that you can order all of your supplies from our sponsor, and I'll go ahead and give you our coupon code right now. It is Cristin10, Cristin 10. So add the items for all of the Nativity Bench Pillow products and add that coupon code in, and you'll get your discount for our group project. We're going to do this as a group. So like I said, we're going to do it after we finish Falling for Autumn. We're about a third of the way done maybe with Falling for Autumn, maybe a little less than a third of the way done, but we have until Christmas, right? So we'll get through the fall quilt first. So let me tell you all of the different items that we have. I don't have any of them yet, but Cala Quilt Company already has them in stock. They've already pre-ordered and got all the supplies ready for us, and they're going to ship as soon as you place your order. So that's really exciting. So let me tell you the things that we'll need. So the design CD, let's see, how about if I go like this and I'll just show you some photos of the items. So the design CD, have you seen the bench pillow, by the way? Let me show you the bench pillow. Here's the bench pillow. So the bench pillow, oh my gosh, it's so pretty. I love anything nativity. I love it. I absolutely love the nativity items. So I am going to, of course, do this project with you. It's going to be so fun, and it's so beautiful, absolutely beautiful, and it's going to have twinkling lights, and I'll tell you more about that. So I showed you the design CD. How about the thread kit? There's a whole thread kit for this project. That will be so fun with lots of different colors. In fact, I'll add a list of the colors underneath this video as long as I've got them available. I think I can get my hands on them. So the thread kit is optional, but I will tell you with each part of the project what thread color I'm using from the thread kit, the Nativity thread kit. All right, and then there is a fabric kit, of course, a fabric kit. So Maywood Studios created this fabric kit for us to be able to do this Nativity Bench Pillow with all of the fabrics that they have pre-selected. So that will make life a lot easier. That will be really good. And it's just so beautiful, absolutely beautiful. All right, what else do we need? We need that embellishment kit. So here's the embellishment kit. The embellishment kit has twinkling lights in it. It has a zipper. I've never done a zipper closure on a bench pillow. So it has a big zipper for us. So we're going to have to try that out. What else is in there? The Flexifoam, that we do need Flexifoam for this project, but it's included in this embellishment kit here. We will also have shimmering mylar and applique glitter and felt. Pretty much everything that we need for this project will be here in this embellishment kit, and of course that fabric kit and the thread kit. What else do we need? There's also an extra felt bundle on our Cala Quilt website. So if you want that, here's a picture of that too. That's the extra felt in case you need it for other projects. We will get everything that we need in the fabric kit and the embellishment kit, but that's an extra if you want to get that from our sponsor as well. So don't forget, our coupon code is Cristin10 to be able to get your discount for our group. The other thing that you will need, so don't forget, of course, as always, we need our light mesh cutaway stabilizer. We use this in our hoop, and this is the regular one. It's the 12-inch size, but then I also use the large one. I use this a lot because I end up doing more than one block in a hooping at a time, and if you choose to join me on that, I will show you how to do it. I use Brilliance Essentials software, and I walk you through step by step how to do that. So you would need the bigger of the stabilizer. This one is the 20-inch, and it's for the 9x14 hoop and the 10x16 Excuse me, sorry. Getting over a cold. All right, and then the fusible backing, this is what we put on the back of all of our fabrics. I put it on the back of all my fabrics. You really only have to put it on the back of your main fabric, and I'll talk you through that step by step as we go through each block. But I do also put it on my applique fabrics, and I'll tell you which ones to, which ones not to. We'll do a fabric prep video. All right, and then Flexifoam, don't forget I mentioned that will be included in our embellishment kit, so you don't need that. If you don't get the embellishment kit, I believe they sent me the information. I think they said we need a 6x10 piece of Flexifoam. But it will be included in the embellishment kit, and we're going to definitely use all the parts of that embellishment kit, so it's a good purchase. Project batting. All right, we go through project batting like it's water. We use so much project batting, and this is definitely my favorite batting. I used to use others in the past, and this works so much better, so completely different really. So I highly recommend it, project batting, and our sponsor will have this on their website as well for this project. And then wash away topping. So the wash away topping we will need for a couple of the blocks or part of the blocks or something. I'm not exactly sure yet. I haven't received my products yet, but we will need wash away topping. So if you don't already have that on hand, make sure to get some. It is the one with the light blue label. All right, let's see what else to say. The quilting bundle, very important. So the quilting bundle, you purchase that directly from Kimberbell's website, but please use our sponsor's affiliate link. In fact, I'll add a link here. This will take you to Kimberbell, but when you click on that, it puts a little cookie on your computer that says, hey, I'm going to support Cali Quilts, because that is the sponsor of our project. So just click on that, and then once you get there, type Nativity into the search bar. Same thing when you order those supplies from Caliquilt, same thing, just click on the link that I gave earlier. In fact, I'll give another one here. This is for Caliquilt to be able to order your supplies, and once you get there, just type Nativity into the search bar, and it will have all of the items that I've already mentioned of what we need for our project. All right, one other thing that you will need is water-soluble bobbin thread if you choose to use it that way. I will likely show you both ways. I personally, my personal favorite, when I'm creating fringe, I like to cut the back threads. I feel more confident in that, and I've had much better luck than using water-soluble bobbin thread. But some people swear by the water-soluble bobbin thread. So if you want to try that technique, make sure to get some. I have used in the past the Vanish one. I've gotten it from Amazon. I believe our sponsor might also have it. I'm not sure, but you will need that to be able to create the fringe. All right, let's see. Quilting bundle affiliate, the stabilizers will need, all the different products. Caliquilt Company, thank you for sponsoring our project. I'm really excited. So I heard that your shop is near my daughter's house, and so I'm hoping that on my next trip to see my daughter, I'll be able to stop by and meet you guys. That would be so really cool. I'm very excited that you guys are sponsoring our project. Very fun to work with you guys. And I sent out a message to them saying, hey, do you guys want to sponsor this, because they had asked previously, and they were like, here's all the information here. They were like on it. I was super impressed. That was wonderful. So Nativity Bench Pillow, are you going to join me? I want to hear about it. I want to know who's doing it. Always sponsor or support our sponsors. So please order from Caliquilt Company so that they can see the benefits in supporting our group, and we can get that discount code. Don't forget, that's Cristin 10. And I think that's all the information. I'll probably give you some information on how to get the links that are underneath this website in the video notes. Underneath the video, there's always links to all of the items needed and information, and some other information like Embrilliance. There's information about that. There's tons of information underneath the video, so check that out as well. And let's get started ordering our supplies for the Nativity Bench Pillow. And if you haven't already, you're going to need some packets to be able to get your project all ready. Once we do the prep video, I will show all the information as far as organizing your project. I keep mine in this old bin that I got from Target a long time ago, but I do have a link actually on Amazon. Here's one that has the exact same dimensions that holds our packets really well, and it comes quick from Amazon. It was really inexpensive, and it's clear so you can see all of your project parts in there. I like that. And then for the dry erase packets, these are great. I use them on everything, and I have a few of them. I think I bought there's like 35 in the set, and I think I bought 2, maybe even 3. I think at least 2 sets, so that I've got all of my current projects in packages ready to go, so it just makes life easier. If you haven't bought your dry erase packets, don't forget those from Amazon here. It makes life really easy to keep everything all organized, so that when I say, hey, we're going to work on this block, you just grab that packet for the day. So we're all set. All right, let's get started. And my shirt today is the Kimberbell shirt. I love this. I actually have a couple of Kimberbell shirts now, but experience the joy of creativity. So I love this one. It is available on the Kimberbell website, or at least it was. It probably still is. I'm not absolutely sure about that. But that's my shirt for today. And the other thing is a goal. Don't forget, you will need to set a goal when you're going to join me on this group project. I always have everybody create a goal for the time length of the entire project. So start thinking about it. I haven't decided mine yet. It might be to work on older projects after we finish this Nativity Bench Pillow. I think I like that idea, but I haven't decided for sure. So start thinking about what you want to do as your goal, and start adding it in the comments.